everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to contact Solflare support. To contact the Solflare support, you can launch open the Solflare application on your mobile device. You can also directly visit help.solflare.com on a web browser. But I'm going to show you how you can contact Solflare support within the Solflare mobile app. Once you open up the application from the home page, tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner. Within the settings menu, go all the way down and tap on support. Now click on the start chat button to submit a ticket to the customer support team. From the next page, you can go ahead and browse through related articles that can match your issue. You will then be able to see different help answers to common questions. If you want to directly contact the customer support team, find the contact support option from the menu and tap on it. Now you can simply go ahead and speak to the customer service AI assistant. Go ahead and type in your name or any other information that has been asked to you. Also make sure to mention any problems or any titles that you need help with. Make sure to type it down in detailed instruction in the text box and tap on send. You will then be able to see more information about the issue or your question. If you cannot find any answer or help to your questions or issues, you can go ahead and look for the Connect to an Agent button to speak to a customer service representative. Simply tap on Connect to an Agent if you need more help, and you can easily go ahead and enter your email address to contact to the customer service agent directly. Go ahead and provide any information that will be asked to you. So that is how you can contact Solflare support if you have any questions or issues about using Solflare. That's how you reach out to Solflare support team in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.